Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn layer navigation and how can add custom attribute inside the layer navigation, right? So guys, this is layer navigation and left sidebar. So this is manageable from catalog system, right? You go to admin area and go to catalog categories, right? So right now here is main tops and jacket. So go to man, tops and jacket, right? And you see inside the display setting, right? Anchor tag, yes. If you have yes, so this is comes here, and if you need no, so save it here, right? And refresh from here page, right? And this is off, right? This is manageable from admin area and go to click from here yes, and this is now is refresh on front end, right? So this is comes again, right? So guys, sometimes need from left navigation no, and this is condition change the design, right? No need for second column with left navigation, right? Need only one column, right? And save this and go to front end, right? And refresh it, and you see this no left navigation, only products comes from here. So sometimes need from promotion catalogs and promotion pages, right? So that type of needs you can on or off left navigation, right? So today we are learn how can add custom attribute inside left navigation, right? So same thing, left navigation, right, save it and refresh it. So same as previous. So this is filterable attribute, style, size, price, color, material, pattern, timing, right? So how can I add custom attribute, right? So go to store and product and click on new, right? Click on hero task, right? And you choose for anyone as per your requirement. Now is we are selected multi-selective, right? And here is option 3 option added, right? Task is 01, right? Task 01, right? And select task 02, right? Here is task 02, right? Task 03, and enter again at task 03, right? And go to label. Here is enter cast, right? And go to front end properties, right? So need filterable with attribute, yes, right? Promotion condition as per your requirement. If you have more promotion, you need promotion on this attribute. So you need yes, and allow HTML definitely yes, catalog front end yes, and use layer navigation yes, right? So save this, right? This is test with filterable. Now is go to attribute set, because we are set on creating product time. We are select attribute set, right? So save on top attribute set, or maybe you create your own attribute set here, right? Click on here and you can be based on default or maybe this, right? So you can save your own custom attribute set also, right? So we are move on top test, move on top, right? So save this, right? And go to catalog, product, create new product, configurable product, okay? Now choose top attribute set, right? Click on task product, right? Task product, Price $100. Taxable, maybe yes or no. As per rate. Quantity 100. Weight yes. No weight yes. 110 kg. So select default and go to our main tabs and check it. Right, select all. Done. And choose last one is task. Right, click on configurable product as per size. Right, and next. Select size small, medium, large, maybe more as per your requirement. Next, and to choose each SKU quantity is 10. Right, and save this one and generate projects. So this is done, and save this. Right, save. Right, and go to cache system and click on select and refresh it, and refresh from front end. Right, so see, this is task filter product, right? And you see task, this is our test, right? This is comes from task product, right? This is task, right? So guys, you have three steps. Firstly, you create your attribute and assign attribute, and on creating time of product, you select your attribute set and fill the value. Three step, and you can add your custom attribute in filterable on left navigation, right? So guys, if you have any problem about creating a custom attribute on filterable and create attribute set or creating attribute, please comments me. I definitely revert as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, or please don't forget for subscribe. Thank you so much.